Sami here. Today I want to introduce you to an awesome pet grooming kit from PalFur that will transform the way you groom or trim your furry friends. I'll dive into every detail about it and compare it with some of the best sellers on Amazon, explaining why you should choose this one instead of others. Let's get started. Alright, first let's check out what's in the box. Obviously, we have this main unit, which we'll take a look at later, and then some accessories like this electric clipper. Please note that it doesn't have a built-in battery, so you have to connect to a power source or something. And this is the de-shading tool. And then we have this 2-in-1 brush, which is for removing fur on your tabletop or on your clothes or those hard-to-reach areas. We also have this hair remover. This is ideal for getting rid of pet hair on your floor and the couch. And this is the grooming brush, which is for removing the old hair or floating hair and other debris from your pet's coat, making it more fluffy and clean. We have 4 guard combs that has different lengths, like 6, 12, 18, and 24 millimeters, so you can do different hairstyles for your furry friends according to your needs. What's more, they offer a bag, so you can put all of this accessories into this bag and carry anywhere you want. Lastly, we have the detachable hose, a power cable, and some paperwork like a quick guide and a very detailed English manual. And that's basically what's all in the box. Now let's take a close look at the main unit. So on top we have 3 physical here, and there are some indicators beside it. This is the power button. Once you turn it on, here will turn to orange. And you can press this mode button to switch between different suction mode. And here is the unlock button. Just press to unlock this dustbin. So this is a 2-liter dustbin. We have 2 sponge cushions here. And if you want to dump the hair, just press this button. We have 2 HEPA filters here. Super easy to install. What's more, there is an air outlet here. You just rotate to take off the cover. Just check this out. There's another HEPA filter here. I haven't seen this design on other pet grooming vacuums, so it's kind of innovative, right? Moving down, we have this port to connect your tube. And here is the power port, and that's basically the design, right? Oh, of course, it has a handle, so you can carry it from room to room easily and conveniently. All right, now to the most exciting part, the grooming test. As you know, I don't own dogs, so I just use my friend's dog, Potato. Yeah, and I will record everything on the set. There's no pre-scheduled script. So let's get started. Wow. She's so beautiful, right? First, let's just connect to the tube. We just use this grooming head, so we don't have to connect to the power. Oh, good girl. She likes it, you see? She's going to sleep or something. Now you can see so much loose hair there. Now let's turn on this machine. By the way, let's check out if this potato will be scared by this noise or sound in it. Wow, potato didn't even look at this. That's how quiet it is. And that's the mode 1. Let's switch to mode 2. That is the strongest. But Potato feels relaxed, right? She doesn't even feel a thing. That's the grooming. Now, as you can see, Potato looks so clean and smooth, right? Now let's switch to another head, the electrical clipper. So they all adopt this quick release design, so you can switch on and off in seconds. We'll push this button to turn on. Alright, that is the middle hair dog, and you may wonder how about a long hair one. Alright, Jingo, it's your turn. Jingo. He is much bigger with longer hair and also he's grumpier. We have to use this grooming head because this is one for the long hair one. Just press this button so you can see the head. Okay. He likes it too. Alright, now we test if Jingo will be scared by the sound or not. Mode 1, Mode 2, Mode 3. That's right. They both look much more cleaner and smoother. And seems both of them like it. Alright, that's the part for you two guys. Good job, Jingo and Potato. Now let's move to the next part. Alright, for this comparison part, I think I will just write this script based on what I've learned from the site. First, let's talk about the design. Well, I won't judge too much because whether you prefer the pear-shaped or standing one is up to you. However, I did notice something interesting about the standing design like the one on the PalFur. Since it's larger in size, it allows for better air circulation, which prevents the unit from overheating and shutting off. They even have a video showcasing their sophisticated dual air channel cooling system, and trust me, good cooling circulation is important. I had an issue with another brand where it shuts itself off during a hair capacity test. It stopped! Just imagine having to wait another 1 or 2 hours for it to work again. Bummer. Speaking of capacity, the dustbin on the PalFur is 2 liters, but in my test, it actually holds a much larger 2-liter capacity of hair. I'll explain the reason later. I used the same amount of hair from the PalFur's dustbin and let other vacuums suck it up. None of the competitors could match it. One of the top best sellers even got stuck in the middle due to a clog. It's got clogged, though has lots of space here. The reason behind this is the direction airflow design. Basically, the air inside goes up first and then down, exerting pressure on the hair in the bin, making them more compact and allowing for more hair to fit. On other vacuums, you can see the air going sideways, creating no pressure at all. There are still some other great features about the PalFur. For instance, the diameter of the pipe is larger than others, so it sucks up hair faster. Additionally, the modular design allows for the detachability of the hose and the power cable, which is fantastic. Unlike some other models that don't offer this, with the PalFur, if the part of the hose breaks, you only need to replace that part, and it's also easier to clean. But are there any drawbacks? Well, the only thing I can think of is that the electric clipper doesn't come with the built-in battery, so it might be slightly less convenient. However, most of other competitors don't have that feature either. Anyway, I'll leave all of this for you to explore with your favorite friends. Let's wrap up with my conclusion. Alright, that's the video. For me, there are lots of good reasons to recommend this PalFur pet grooming vacuum. With its powerful suction and specialized attachments, it effectively removes loose fur, dander, and dirt, keeping their coats clean and healthy while reducing shedding. The vacuum's ergonomic design and user-friendly feature ensure a stress-free grooming experience for both pets and their owners. Additionally, the vacuum's ability to capture allergens and prevent them from circulating in the air contributes to a healthier environment. Moreover, the price for this vacuum is incredibly affordable, especially when compared to the cost of hiring a pet caretaker or groomer. So definitely this vacuum is a great investment for your furry companions. And if you are interested in it, please check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, Sami. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.